Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the corporate world. Today, we're diving into a recent filing from Cycurion, a company that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. But is their partnership expansion a real opportunity or just vaporware hype? Let's find out. Cycurion filed what's called an 8K form with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Think of this as a company's way of shouting, "Hey, we've got some news." It's a report companies must file when big things happen that could affect their investors. This particular 8K was filed in March of 2025. The big news happened on March 6, 2025. That's the date this report is centered around. It's like the headline of our corporate news story. The company we are talking about is Cycurion, Inc. Their main office is in McLean, Virginia. We can see their phone number uses the area code 888. Cycurion is flagged as an emerging growth company. This means they are a smaller company that gets some breaks on certain regulations to help them grow. It is a label that can give them some leeway, but they are not choosing to delay adopting new accounting rules. Okay, what kind of stock does Cycurion have? They have common stock listed under the ticker symbol CYCU and warrants listed as CYCUW, both traded on the Nasdaq stock market. Warrants are like options. They give the holder the right to buy the stock at a specific price in the future. We will have to dig in and see what these warrants mean for shareholders. Now let's get to the meat of the report. This section is where Cycurion tells us what's new. The big announcement is about a nationwide expansion of their partnership with Central Square Technologies, LLC. They're teaming up to deliver their IT services across the country. So what does this mean? Cycurion is expanding its reach. Think of it like a local coffee shop opening new locations nationwide through a partnership. Sounds promising, but we need to know more. Important note, Cycurion says this information is being furnished, not filed. This is a legal distinction. Furnished information has less legal liability attached to it than filed information. Basically, they're saying, here's some news, but don't hold us to it as tightly. The company also provided a press release related to this announcement. A press release is really a way for the company to share this information with the public in a marketing-friendly way. Okay, so based on this 8K filing, Cycurion is expanding its partnership with Central Square Technologies. That's the core story. It is important to remember that this report is announcing an event, not providing a ton of details, so we have to connect some dots here. Now, let's take a step back and see what we can learn about the companies and the potential impact of this partnership. Central Square Technologies is a company that provides technology solutions for public safety and local government agencies. Cycurion provides IT and cybersecurity services. So this partnership seems to be about Cycurion providing the IT backbone and security for Central Square's clients. It is a marriage of services, and if successful, will be good for both companies. Let's put this in perspective. The IT and cybersecurity market is booming. Everyone is worried about cyber attacks and data breaches. Companies and governments are spending big bucks on it to protect themselves. This partnership lets Cycurion tap into Central Square's existing customer base, which is a shortcut to growth. Instead of cold calling new clients, they get access to a ready-made market. But expanding a partnership nationwide is not easy. Cycurion needs to make sure it has the staff and resources to handle the increased demand. Also, managing a partnership across the country can be tricky with different regulations and customer needs in different states. So, what's the bottom line? This partnership expansion could be a big win for Cycurion, but it also comes with risks. It's a classic growth story with the potential for both great success and some growing pains. Okay, time for my take. Cycurion is clearly trying to position itself as a key player in the cybersecurity space. This partnership is a bold move to expand quickly. I see both strengths and weaknesses here. One strength is definitely the market. Cybersecurity is a hot sector, and companies that can provide reliable IT solutions are in high demand. Cycurion has an opportunity to ride that wave, especially if they can truly scale their business nationally. The main weakness is the execution risk. Scaling a business, especially through a partnership, is tough. They need to make sure they can deliver on their promises and not overstretch their resources. Another potential risk is competition. The IT services market is crowded. Cycurion needs to stand out from the pack and prove that its solutions are better or more cost-effective than the competition. Overall, I'd say Cycurion is a company with potential, but it's not a slam dunk. This partnership expansion is a high-risk, high-reward strategy. Investors should watch closely to see if Cycurion can execute its plan and turn this opportunity into real growth. So there you have it. Cycurion's partnership expansion decoded. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives.